Most of the time, speaker boxes are glued, but on this one, it's not glued, it doesn't have caulking, and it's got screws. We're gonna try to remove the screws to see the packaging inside.
Oh, it's gonna come out.
There you go.
It's a crystal-like substance in a loose fashion inside one bag. So we're gonna remove those screws so we can leave that bag intact and have it all together. It'll be a mess.
In San Diego and San Diego County, we've seen a large uptick in fentanyl being trafficked, smuggled, and distributed